And we are live. All aboard your tech news, games, and deals caboose. Let's start off with some tech news from Elon Musk. He unveils the Boring Company tunnel. This is the first demonstrated to the press 1.14 mile tunnel. Around $10 million has costed. Prices are still being worked on. They're trying to increase efficiency and all of that. But we have a little video of the little tunnel here. Here is a Model X Tesla car, and they have little rollerblades basically on it to keep it aligned going through the tunnel. So right now the tunnel speeds are 40 to 50 miles per hour with the bumper wheels, and it's a little bumpy, they actually say on camera. So they are trying to improve that and also increase the speeds. We'll talk about that in just a second. But this is to tunnel underneath the ground and solve traffic and get places quicker too on top of that. So here's going through the tunnel. There's also going to be like pods for pedestrians and walkers, bikers, and such. And then it starts off in Musk's SpaceX in a parking lot and goes to Hawthorne, about a mile away, a neighborhood, and it comes out through a garage upwards. And then here's just a little Google of what like a 4-lane highway would cost: 4 to 6 million, 8 to 10 in urban areas. So if you're going 4 times as fast as like 1 lane, right? So we have that. Elon also tweets, he answers lots of questions, and their next step is demonstrating high throughput at high speeds. Target is 4,000 vehicles an hour at 155 miles per hour. So let's get hyped for that. We also have some Microsoft news with their Windows Sandbox Mode. This is going to be a mode that you can set up. Say you want to run a program or an executable file and you're not sure if it's safe, you can create this little sandbox virtual window and you can make sure it's okay and check it out. So this is for the Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise versions, and there's a little quick start to getting into it. If you want to check the links, there'll be that. But you'll need 4 gigs of RAM, 1 gigs of free disk space, and 2 CPU cores. And then install Windows 10, enter virtualization, open Windows features, and so on, and test out that executable file that you were scared to run previously. Cool little thing there. We also have next-gen Xbox consoles, Anaconda and Lockhart. So these names look to be confirmed, and some of the speculations about like performance and what we're going to see. But Anaconda is a beefed up version of the Xbox One X, so maybe 4K 60 FPS. And then Lockhart is the more affordable baseline version. So it looks like 2 versions will be coming out for the next gen console, and the article says 2020 holidays. So something mentioned also was faster boot speeds and game load times, so possibly a faster SSD. And then we also have some cloud, Project X Cloud. Something else Microsoft is working on is codenamed Anthem. Here's some more codenames for you. So that is, they're going to revise Xbox One S hardware to create this cloud gaming thing, so you'll be able to play games from the cloud. So we'll see more potentially next year and when that launches. We also have Razer launching world's first wireless keyboard and mouse for Xbox. Some more Xbox Microsoft news. We have wireless up to 40 hours, it looks like, on a single charge. We also have a price point for the wireless keyboard combo, mouse combo, $250. Not super expensive for a keyboard mouse, some little thing to rest on. And then you'll get $25 off for pre-ordering for if you're looking for other Xbox gift cardy stuff. And that is, it looks like it's estimated 3/31, so 3-4 months. That's coming out. And then other little specs and features. It looks like to have Razer Synapse enabled, this will be for PC only if you're not going to play on your Xbox. And then it looks like there's cable links to connect to your computer for that. And then here's the wireless, 43 with lighting disabled for the keyboard and 50 for the mouse. And then there's some Xbox lighting, dynamic lighting, that looks like is supported by certain in-game titles like X-Morph Defense and Vermintide. So it might change colors during different modes or something around those lines. So cool little thing from Microsoft, and that's Xbox news. We also have some game news, and that will be Crowfall campaign. This is the pre-alpha 5.8, went out last night. So to jump in, just grab a starter pack and you'll get into the live playtest. So this is the last pre-alpha milestone. Next up is the actual alpha, then beta, then launch. And what we have next month in January, we're going to go back to the campaign in a second, but they're going to have sanctioned campaigns. This will actually get you top ranked PvP rewards. So you'll probably want to jump into this campaign and then to get ready for the sanctioned campaign and get some rewards, I'm assuming a launch. And that's the first sanctioned campaign coming soon. And then right now, which was last night, 2 test campaigns, one for North America and one for Europe. And that was on the 18th. And then they talk about free cities. You can make some battle winnings by coin, not just violence. And then they talk in the choices matters, play your way. And then there's a quick little video on Crowfall. It's a little like jumpstart guide if you haven't played in a while or you're new. And he talks about some of the new looting features, some chest spawns, and some of the character creation at the beginning and your talent tree. There's a new talent system. So you'll want to check out this little video if you're returning or into Crowfall, the MMO Throne campaign, Throne Wars. So we also have some Geforce NOW recommended routers. This is for game streaming if you got invited to the beta. If you want to stream games on a regular laptop and want to play super fast FPS, that's a router you might want. So they are the first router they've kind of partnered with that has these features enabled is the Amplify, and then it's coming to other ones. But basically what it is it's going to prioritize Geforce NOW easily and automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about any router functions if you're just a regular game and want a game. This is a router you might want to check out. So lower latencies and best-in-class routing for lots of video streaming. Say someone else is video streaming or downloading Netflix or playing another game themselves. This will prioritize you over them. And the first router, a little expensive, but gaming routers and such get up there, $340. And then coming soon, you'll have other options, TP-Link, Netgear, D-Link. So you'll probably see other prices with this Geforce NOW prioritization / recommended features coming soon. We also have Fortnite launching merch store at Retail Row. We have a US and a Europe store. Here's a Durr Burger onesie, pre-order $70, and then there's some t-shirts for $25 if you want to get your Fortnite bling on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's got a little hoodie. I don't think it comes with a burger. That'd be super weird. Bunch of sizes. January 2019 for this pre-order. I think the t-shirts are possibly not those are pre-ordered too. December this month. Cool there. We also have the deal for today is 100% off Assassin's Creed Odyssey asterisk if you play the Project Stream demo. So this is another Google game streaming experiment. So if you play this for, it looks like an hour, I want to say it said, you'll get a free copy for PC, Mac, and this is for the US right now. So you can try it here and claim your free Assassin's Creed. This little link, which will be in the description below soon enough. So that is your tech news, Xbox, tunnel boring game news for today. Check it back tomorrow, 3 p.m. Pacific, for even more tech news and games. We also have someone saying, but I don't have a Tesla. There's going to be pods for just regular people, pedestrians, bikers, and you can get places quicker through that. So you don't have to have a Tesla when it comes out, you know? So yeah. And we are going to sign off here, and pew, pew, pew.